This video is courtesy of BrainyBuyer.com, your shortcut to smarter shopping. If these deep dive comparisons help you pick the perfect gear, show some love with a quick subscribe. Okay, so we're comparing the Nexgrill Portable grill, right? And the Weber Genesis E-435. Quite a difference in size and price, huh?
Definitely. The Nexgrill is like $180 and the Weber is a whopping $1,400. What's the deal?
Well, the Nexgrill is all about portability. It's a tabletop grill, only about 29 pounds, perfect for camping or a small balcony. It's got 2 burners, putting out 13,500 BTUs and 263 square inches of cooking space.
So small and mighty-ish. What about the Weber?
The Weber is a full-size grill, weighing in at 220 pounds. It's got 4 burners, a side burner, and a massive cooking area. We are talking about a backyard culinary experience, they say.
A side burner. Nice. What's the BTU output on that beast?
I can't see the BTU output listed specifically, but with 4 main burners and a side burner, it's definitely going to be much higher than the Nexgrill. It's built for searing steaks and cooking for a crowd. Plus, it's compatible with Weber's Crafted Outdoor Kitchen Collection.
Crafted Outdoor Kitchen Collection? Sounds fancy. So, like interchangeable grates and stuff.
Exactly. You can swap out the grates for things like a baking stone or wok. The Nexgrill, on the other hand, has a 2-in-1 griddle and grill setup.
Okay, that's cool. So portability versus full backyard setup. What about materials?
The Nexgrill has a cast aluminum body and cast iron grates, while the Weber is alloy steel with stainless steel handle.
And what about temperature control? Is one better than the other?
The Nexgrill has a built-in temperature gauge. The Weber doesn't mention one specifically, but I would expect a grill at that price point to have very precise temperature control overall.
Right, makes sense. So if you're camping or tailgating, Nexgrill. If you're hosting big barbecues, Weber.
Precisely. The Nexgrill is all about convenience and affordability. The Weber is an investment in a more versatile and powerful grilling experience. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.